True or false, visiting a school's website is the same as visiting in person?
False. While visiting a school website will be valuable because you're going to get a lot of information, the in-person visit allows you to immerse yourself within the experience, the culture of the campus and the community.
True or false, some colleges will actually let you sit in on a class.
True. We actually host a variety of on-campus class programs for students to come in. It's a great way to experience the classroom, to meet some professors and meet students, and if it's the right learning environment for you.
True or false, a campus tour really isn't worth it.
False. You can gain so much by visiting a school. If you can make it in person, you will be able to see the layout of the campus, meet with some faculty, even meet with some departments of the major that you're interested in. You will interact with students so you can get a true feeling and sense about the campus environment.